bafethu ngiphethe star ukhumulimo kekana ufaka unombolo 8 mfana wayo number 8
Tony Cruz.
ne
Yeah, Tony Cruz. Yeah.
and uthema uchamcela lapha ethimini azange bakubhayizisa
Salute.
mara eyokuqala nje yokuqala mina azange ngithola chance ukuthi sixoxe after nithole le cup eAfcon ntwana ngisasho mina namanje congratulations mfana congratulations how was it ngesikhathini lapha ebengikhuluma noLazo Lamanku last week uthi it was a special feeling
Yeah. I think it was really special, you know. Like it wasn't something le besifake ekhandeni ukuthi like it's a big occasion or anything. We just went there believing in each other and just showcased our talents. You know, worked very hard on the pitch and brought back, you know, a trophy to South Africa. That was really major for us in our careers. Yeah.
and mfana mina benginobona ama video niwashutayo manise hotela like ni too playful mara manifika grounding nenza a very different thing but talking about those videos umfundo vilakazi unjani manje lapha ecampini wayengathi yazihlanyela nje
Yazihlanyela i-jokester. Yeah, it just shows like brotherhood ekhona team. You know, everyone like can be himself, like sonke siyaconnectana, siunderstandana, and that's what like builds the connection between each and every player, you know. So it's just siyalaphayana nje na ithama brother noma we Cape Town udlale Durban anyway sonke sihlangene.
And you sometimes talk about ETDC udali nina sizonishaya nina
Yeah, obvious there are always those back and forth ukuthi hey thathi league chiefs akho thathi na senishayela nizidlanga yabona into ezinjalo. Yeah, so it's good, you know, it's good talks, you know, namajita and siyabuildana kanjalo sibuild the character.
Are you looking forward to World Cup?
Yeah, definitely.
Have you been thinking about it ever since?
No, it's always been a dream vele ukudlala ku World Cup. But for me, like it's not something lengifaka like ekhanda kakhulu. You know, I'm just relaxed, just performing. Manje ngicela ukudlala, I was focusing on the game. Now tomorrow going to camp, that's when I focus on the World Cup. Prepare well for the World Cup, and then figure out and I just do my job.
Mfana, let's talk about role yakho as a midfielder. What's your position, Sharp?
I'm a 6, but I'm sure national team even here at Sundowns the play as a double pivot.
Okay.
So that double pivot, one can go and then one stays. So we alternate in terms of who goes and who stays, you know, so that we can again double pivot buys the pressure to us and then opens up pockets of spaces where I like to join those spaces to release pressure from build-ups and take the team out.
Because uyayenza lento mfana and then now ngibheka uTS Galaxy, then you move to Sundowns. Angifuni singene lapho ukuthi i-move yenzeke kanjani, but ngifuna sikhulume ngokuthi ukekani ibhola liqala vasha mshapho khumulimo liqala kuDisk.
Mina ngicala ibhola, I was playing for a team eKasi, Alexandra, called Alex Royal Tigers. At the age of 8, 9. But then I started kahle ku Wanderers Warriors.
Okay.
At the age of 8, playing under 9.
Uqala amaprogram amakhulu othotha wakulingani kahle because we showed boy.
Sidlala nje, and then Alex Royal Tigers, so it's Wanderers Warriors, Alex Royal Tigers. Bengidlala wona bayi2, like at Wanderers Warriors bekudlalwa on Sunday, and then Alex Royal Tigers dlala Saturday eKasi. So I'd play Saturday and Sunday.
And bathina abazali because lokhu uyaphuma.
Yeah, that time maybe bangathanda. Uyazi bathi ngifocus kwisikole, sometimes kuyanetha. I want to go to training, I want to play football.
And mabuya ulambile ugezanga nezitha sometimes.
Ngiyangezanga ngimanzi bayangishaya.
Exactly.
That was what I wanted, yabo. So yeah, and then I moved to TS Galaxy under 15.
Who scouts you? Nyalapho ke manje.
No, it was a thing of TS Galaxy came to Wanderers Warriors by partnership, and then we left to TS Galaxy.
Okay.
Played GDL under 15. I didn't really play under 17 or 19 because Coach Eshini Makanya was the coach of the TDC with TS Galaxy.
Yes,
I made my debut when I was 15.
Okay, Eshini Makanya wakunikeza le chance.
Eshini Makanya, yeah. I made my debut. And then along the way, beginning injury I went back to GDL, ngadlala under 17, coach Tiger.
The pressure ephuma from here you are with TDC, pressure at TDC week in, week out, and you're playing in different provinces, then go back to GDL, somehow mentally,
no, like in life, sometimes there's no, like, once you're down, there's no way that you can go further down.
Okay.
So you can start afresh. and just run your own race, because things happen in life and ngiyakwazi ukuthi ufuna success manje, but
good attitude.
yeah, but ufuna success manje, maybe you're not prepared for a success, ngeke ukhona kuyihandle, so just starting afresh, focusing and mastering the basics, and then that's when, like, when you reach the top you can stay there for a long time, yabo. So like I didn't mind going back to GDL, playing, getting like back to my best, and then that's when I moved to first team, ETS Galaxy, and then but I moved to Sundowns after that.
Also first team.
Yeah.
And how was it like first team Galaxy?
Yeah, no, no, I just joined the pre-season.
Okay.
And then after, during the pre-season, that's when I left. But we am pretty good. I understand I'm a hot man.
And when I sharp ubuya vanto.
We are Minangzalole Zibite Lagarahwat. But I came to Alexandra at the age of 5.
Okay.
So that's yeah.
We out as a Comora. We have Comora United.
Yeah, Jimmy Sekas, yeah.
Udlalelwa Bukwini mfana Mayimane.
Ngidlala ngisasemncane. But not lawa ama tournament amakhulu, just isamba nje ngeteam ya. Ngidlalanga kanjalo eBukwini.
What does it mean ugqoka ijezi leSundowns? It's a big team.
Yeah, it's a big team. It's a really big team. I think it means a lot. It shows the talent that I have, but that's not something like Ifake Kanda, because I know there are thousands of talented players like South Africa who would want to be in the position that I'm in, but it's just for me to just every single day, every single opportunity I get to step on the pitch, show myself, be the best version of myself, because I'm running my own race and nagemina to get to the goals that I've set for myself.
Ntwana mangathola i-contract first team, ntwana nayo i-contract first team. Wenzani ntwana nayi 50k ngenyanga? Wenzani ntwana usukwayicabanga?
Akuzinto engifake ekhaya, ngidlala ibhola mina kuphela.
Ne?
Angidlalela ibhola.
Any support ekhaya?
Yeah, ikhona support ekhaya, my mom, time lami, nentwana yami encane, amalobe bami bangisupporta kakhulu, ngiyayibonga.
Usually amajita analento ukuthi hayi bafethu mina ngibheka idisk isiphele isigela ngibuye ngisibone.
Hayi, ngiyasebenza ngisasa isigela ngibhala ama final.
Ushunani?
No, ngisasa grade 12.
Oh, shy grade 12. Yeah. No. So it's a busy year for you.
Yeah, it's a really busy year for me, but
World Cup, Metric, DStv Disk Challenge.
Yeah. Hayi ngiyasebenza.
Mina ngizothi ungabi nentombo kamanje onothini.
Hayi ngibafuni ngishaya.
No, siyabonga kakhulu mfana kithi. Bengibuka i-log in the past 3 seasons. Number 5, number 2, number 3. You guys are getting closer, but kwala kancane.
It's just, I think it's kahle, and then towards the end, that's when I think we kind of lose points in games that we are not supposed to lose points. So this season is just for us to have that mentality, to just keep on going until the last game of the season. Don't look at other teams who perform kanjani. Just focus on us as Mamelodi Sundowns, and then we will get the trophy.
Fana bazoze bakhiye emashaweni ngifuna uyogeza manje ngishaya yokugcina nayi. Asikhuthaza ama South Africans ukuthi let's support the under 20 iyava yangala. Support yabo imina everything to you as players.
Nah, so far, like since from COSAFA, AFCON, we've been seeing the support that our South Africans have been giving us, and like we ask them to just keep on showing us that support, and we will represent them well in Chile for the under 20 World Cup.
Khumula Mokekana, all the best ntwana. Mina nyazi sizokubona ku first team very soon. Kube mnandi ke ntwana yami siyabonga. Thank you boy.